Hey everyone, here's my tip on how to help improve your home practice. Add some clamshells. Now there's clamshells you can do with your legs to help with hip mobility. There's also clamshells you can do with your arms to help with shoulder mobility, more specifically to mobilize your thoracic spine. So what I'm gonna do here is sit back on my heels with my knees relatively wide in a bullfrog type position. So my hands are on the floor just in front of my knees. I'm gonna start like this. Now I'm gonna bring my right hand to the back of my head, turn my shoulders to the right and point my right elbow toward the ceiling. My hips are still fixed and on my heels, but I'm turning my shoulders, opening my chest and rib cage. Then I'm gonna exhale and bring my right elbow to my left elbow. Inhale and put my right elbow back up. Turn my shoulders, open my chest. Just like your arms a clamshell. Exhaling as you close the clamshell. Inhaling as you open the clamshell. So try that 5 or 6 times on each side. Do it a little bit every day and see if your shoulder mobility increases. Give it a try.